mga kabalda! This is Clara Ambiciosa with
Toto.
So for today's video mga kabalda, pupunta tayo sa may ibang lugar. The other daanan dito. So ito ang aming daanan mga kabalda ni Thomas. Enjoy lang kayo sa pag-watch. Matagal-tagal na din mga kabalda na hindi tayo nakapag-video kasi nga is super busy tayo sa ating vacation. So, alam nyo ba mga kabalda, today is December 26, 2024. At dito sa may Norway mga kabalda, ang mga establishment dito is sarado. 24 is open sila, pero it's icy. It's slippery, yeah?
Yeah, very slippery.
Yeah. So 24 ng mga kabalda ng morning open ang store. 7 p.m. I mean 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pagpatak ng 5 p.m. mga kabalda is start na ang salo-salo. Syempre, yan na ang essence of Christmas. Essence. Ayan na ang celebration na ng Pasko ang 5 p.m. dito sa may Norway. So, kung makikita nyo is nasa 2:30 p.m. pa lang today. At ang pagkakaiba lang pala, culture difference lang din pala mga kabalda, no? Dito kasi sa may Norway mga kabalda, dito kami sa Kirkenes ngayon, ang araw dito is just like 4 hours, right Shada? 4 hours.
What? 4 hours what?
Sunlight?
In Kirkenes?
Yeah. No, I mean in Melhus.
4-5-ish, yeah?
Yeah, 4-5. Mga 4 or 5 hours ang So, ayun mga kabalda. Tapos nung 25 kagabi, pumunta kami sa uncle ni Thomas. Tapos, maulan mga kabalda. Ay, slide talaga. Uy, maraming snow to dito. Nakaraan ngayon is natunaw na kasi nga is umulan kagabi. Ayun lang mga kabalda. Maganda lang talaga kasi dito mga kabalda pag ka ng Christmas. Mag-celebrate dito. Yun nga sinabi ko na maraming regalo dito kapag mag-Christmas. Especially na ang mga kids. Napakaraming mga regalo ang matatanggap nila dito. So, ang exciting part dito sa Norway mga kabalda is gift opening. Yeah, Shada? Yeah, gift opening. And ako nga mga kabalda, first time ko na mag-celebrate day 2 dito ng Christmas. Marami akong na-receive na gift. Oh my gosh! Ay nako, pagbukas pa lang ng gifts mga kabalda, tuwang-tuwa talaga ako. Syempre, kasi sa Philippines kasi mga kabalda, makaka-receive lang tayo ng gifts paminsan-minsan lang. Tapos, konti lang ba yung gifts. Dito kasi mga kabalda, ang dami nilang gifts. Bongga talaga. Galing pa sa mga binibigay lang ba. Tapos, nilagay sa ilalim ng Christmas tree. Ang dami talaga. At ayun na mga kabalda, ito na ang ating view. Ayan. Parang 6 p.m. na ng hapon mga kabalda, pero hindi. Alam nyo ba mga kabalda, parang andito na ako sa panaginip ko. Alam nyo ba yung feeling na nakatira ka na sa pinapangarap mong city, pinapangarap mong lugar? Dito na talaga ako mga kabalda. Napaka-happy ko talaga mga kabalda, as in. Parang hindi ko akalain mga kabalda na mararating ko tong lugar na ito. Ewan ko mga kabalda, basta happy talaga ako mga kabalda. What happened, Shada? What's
like
that?
A truck that is stuck.
Ah, okay.
So you see, good. We took the other way. We do the other way accident, and you see how because here someone has collided.
Yeah.
And they are stuck in line. We are actually very lucky here.
That's true.
You see they crashed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very so
Slippery.
lucky. Danlog mga kabalda ba? Slide. Madulas. Kaya ganyan. So ayun nga mga kabalda, grabe talaga mga kabalda. Parang
This time I will take to the right because I don't want to drive up those hills.
okay.
Because they might be very slippery. To drive around instead.
Tapos mga kabalda, 'di ba sa atin no, pagka 26 talaga may ano na, tsaka late na tayo nag-close ng mga tindahan kasi nga is marami pang bumibili. Mga SM dyan. Dito mga kabalda sa kanila, nako. Sunday dito, sarado. Every Sunday yan, sarado. Tapos maaga sila nagko-close kapag may mga ganito, may mga party. Tapos alam nyo ba mga kabalda, pumunta kami sa uncle ni Thomas kagabi. Ay, napakasarap talaga yung nag-dinner na kami, mga nag-dinner. What time we eat yesterday, Shada, for our dinner? It's 3 p.m.
3, yeah, I think it was
Mga alas 3 kami. Kasi dito mga kabalda, ang dinner namin maaga pa kasi nga kasi may pupuntahan kami. Pero usually ang kain din namin talaga mga kabalda is nasa 3 p.m. Tapos pag kumain na kami kagabi, tapos pumunta kami mga alas 4 sa uncle ni Thomas. Tapos hindi kami kumain ng dinner doon. Bali, pumunta kami doon para mag-coffee. Alam nyo ba mga kabaldo? Coffee, may mga sweets ba? Mga sweets corner. Yung mga mga finger food. Yeah, finger food siya. Napakasarap. You know what guys? Oh my god. The cheese, what is that? Shada? Ice cream cake.
Yeah, ice cream cake.
So, ice cream cake San Rival, I think that one. San Rival. Oh my god, guys. There's a what we call this? There's a peanut.
Peanut?
Yeah, or almond.
Almond, but
yeah, almond. From at the bottom of the ice cake. It's yummy talaga mga kabalda. Ay naku guys. Ay, may mga sweets, may mga gummies. Ay, nako, basta ayaw ko na lang talaga mag-talk. Charis lang, nag-talk na. Pero share ko lang sa inyo guys, napakasarap talaga ang ice cream cake na bake ni made pala ng tita ni Thomas. So, sa New Year, we will celebrate also the New Year's Eve to Uncle of Thomas. Yeah. So ayun mga kabalda. Alam nyo ba mga kabalda, din na masarap yung yung ice cream cake na yun. Agoy, nag-slice ko kabalbahol, may darawagin ka slice Pag tapos ko naubos yung isa, another one again. Another slice of cake. Yeah, it's so yummy talaga mga kabalda.
I think she has one for New Year's Eve as well.
Really? Oh, I love it, Shada. She is so friendly also, your aunt.
Yeah. Yeah, they're very friendly.
Guys, no, napakasaya ko lang talaga guys kasi ayun nga, ang mga family ni Thomas, nakilala ko na, isa na lang ang hindi. Kaya pupunta tayo doon sa bahay niya. Pero nagkita na kami nung isang araw. So, yung isa na lang, parang feeling ko, alam niya yun. Kasi gusto niya pa ako makakausap pa. So, let's budod-budon ang English natin today. And mabuti na lang talaga. Si Bjorn, he is very fluent to speak in English.
Yeah,
The way he speak, oh my god, he is so genius also. Yeah, Shada?
he has a very good language here.
Yeah. Oh, grabe siya, guys. It's nice. Grabe talaga siya mag-English. He is genius also. It's because he is a what's that, Shada? Electrical or engineer?
No, yeah, type of engineer.
Yeah.
It's a software engineer.
Software engineer.
Yeah.
So he work at the government, yeah, Shada?
Yeah, he work at the tax office.
Tax office
Yeah.
here in Norway. So yeah, bonggalan talaga siya, guys. Grabe talaga siya. Napaka-smart talaga. As in. So ayun na. Share ko lang sa inyo. Ayun.
Now we are in Heimdal.
Heimdal.
Yeah, this is like right outside. It's like a part of Trondheim.
Yeah.
So if you drive down, there is the train station we passed when we took the train. Yeah. And if you drive straight over here, you get to my sister eventually. Those buildings in the end there, you see that yellow building over the top
Yeah.
there? That's her building.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
There today. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's green light, of course.
Yeah.
Here.
So ayun mga kabaldagay, nabungol ko, guys. Sa prima ko, guro. Kay kasipon man ko. Ayan, 'di ba, guys? Ayan sila. Basta walang basta walang red, white, blue. Cherries lang. Walang red or yellow or green. Dapat basta may pedestrian lane, the car will stop so that the people will pass through.
You mean those signs?
Yeah, those signs.
Then you have to stop.
Yeah, you need to stop. Not that one, no. Pero if there's a stoplight,
then you have to follow the lights.
Yeah. Follow the lights.
That is, if it's very trafficated the area, then it's not safe because a lot of people might not see them in time. So make it more dangerous.
So ayun,
Let's
guys.
see if I remember this road into my sister. It's a while I drove this road. I think I will be able to get where we need to go.
So ayun, guys, uyog-uyog tayo, guys. Tapos I just want to share also, guys, na mag-date kami ni Thomas. And then the door here, guys, is automatically once you push the button, Shada, it will automatically open.
What door?
The door in a hotel, not hotel, but in the restaurant. Nice, guys. So.
Oh yeah, like that. Yeah, not all doors.
I tried to close the door.
It depends on how modern building.
Yeah, I tried to close the door, but guys, automatic pala siya na mag-close sa kanya. Ako nagibutong ko, and then there is a Norwegian outside. They are smiling at me. It's because I tried to pull the door para masarado bala because it's so cold kay mag-eat yun kami outside. Oh my gosh, I think there's a Filipino over there. Yeah.
It might be a Norwegian. No, not a guaranteed Filipino, only because they decorate. Some Norwegians are crazy on the decoration as well.
Yeah. So So, ayun nga guys. Basta maganda dito guys pag mag-celebrate ng Christmas sa Norway. So, ayun lang nga guys. Andito na ako sa pinag-pray ko.
I'm not sure if that one is correct.
Okay. Bye guys muna. Ayun mga kabalda. So, undag tayo mga kabalda. So, ayun nga. Basta, I'm so thankful na lang din talaga na andito na ako. Wala akong stress dito. Except, Thomas is stubborn sometimes. So, that's my stress.
Not always be stubborn, no?
Yeah, he is a good man. Shada. But sometimes.
Thank you. See, the lake there is so ice.
Oh, wow guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yan guys. Oh. Diba? Mag-ice yan.
It's not safe to go on though because it's not cold enough. So
yeah.
The ice is not thick. You will go straight.
Lusot kahig mo dyan guys. Pag magpunta ka dyan. Nice oh. Yeah. That is a lake. Yeah?
Yeah.
So you can go for fishing also.
Yeah, you can fish.
Oh, we can go that in the summer, Shada.
I don't think we can visit fishing there in the summer. I have other places you can fish.
Okay.
Yeah,
we will get the Shada, fruit picking. What's the Shada? Berry picking.
Picking berries.
Picking berries, yeah.
Best up in the north, that in Chittenäs. Much more.
Really? The fruits?
The berries, yeah. You have cloudberries there.
Oh, I'm so excited. Ayan mga kabaldo, oh.
The cloudberries we have to pick right after we've been here, like in the late summer.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll show you the daanan lang guys. Ina-show ko lang sa inyong mga daanan.
Now we are there almost.
Okay, next to. So, mga kabalda. Bye-bye na mga kabalda. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Mwah!